I boarded a train to nowhere, my heart failing, my body weak, betrayed by what I had come to swear. An overwhelming escape I seek. The licking tongues of fire, the biting teeth of pain, the alluring call of desire, always calling my name. Standing tall is a long way from shame, but why can't I be as open as the night rain? As the night rain, as the night rain, as the night rain. And when you hear the call from that long black train, try to be as open as the night rain, as the night rain, as the night rain, as the night rain. I jumped into the vault of the abyss. The truth was lying at my feet. All the signs were reading amiss, but the universe was calling cheat. Oh, the licking tongues of fire.